beat the fuck out of this raccoon. Did you shut the door
I'm
back?
gonna set up the camera.
Whose lights are on?
Huh?
Whose lights is that they're going?
I just unlocked my door and got my shit out. Dude. This is fucking crazy.
Go. If he runs this way, I'm.
Dude, we can't go to the hospital tonight, man. Calm the fuck.
For coon scratches and rabies.
Shots in the stomach.
Fuck! No.
Dude, if it comes this way, I'm gonna kick the fuck out of
Comes
it.
this way, I
Dude,
will.
it's under the fucking bed or in the bathroom. It's one of the two. Alright, throw me a wooden thing. We need another one.
Where does Jake have food at? That's where it went. Oh shit!
Where's he at?
I hit him with the wood thing.